I'm not naked.
Why are you naked?
Oh, shut up.
Why are you naked?
I'm not.
Oh, I could tell you're naked.
You think I would lay on the couch naked, really? Karma's a bitch. Thanks, Riley. High five. Can Mama have high five?
Oh,
Mama have high five? Give me a high five. Yeah.
you did that on purpose? Yeah?
Another one? High five.
That really hurt.
Yeah.
That's it, right? We'll never pick me up again.
Can we still have more babies?
No. That really hurt, man.
You deserved it.
You getting naked on the sofa?
I'm not naked, though.
Except for the books and the telephone. Rhonda over there? Well, she's 13. Can't legally work here, so we pay her cash under the table out of my salary. She's being homeschooled. She lives on the property. Works at the Jaguar. That's it. It's just us, Mr. Me.
Well, it's great to meet all of you.
Ow!
This is Rosie, my daughter.
Does it mean continue?
And my big boy, Dylan.
Ow!
And this is our zoo now, I guess.
Ow! Hey, that's mean. That's mean.
Love the house.
Can you be nice?
Right?
Ow!
Riley Miles, be
So I
nice.
would like to declare us all modern-day adventurers.
You give Dad that kiss now that you heard him?
And sponsors of animal
No,
greatness.
that's enough. He's making sure he's looking after flipping Elmo over there.
Okay, terrific.
Oh, make sure Elmo's out the way so he doesn't get it.
Give Dad that kiss.
Yes, guys.
I got you.
So when you get a second, there's a couple things I need to go over with you about the upcoming inspection.
Yeah, the USDA inspector won't ferret.
Brady, stop.
When did that become a flipping bouncy castle?
This is Buster. He's our 650-pound North American grizzly. He was 770, but he's been stressed out. You know, he's moody. We had him on Paxil, but can't afford it, so he's occasionally depressed.
Hey there, Buster. Are you missing the meds? Whoa.
This is Nathan. He does our water and feed.
I could meet you.
Talking to the animals has to be done in a super specific way. He doesn't have it yet, but